Award-winning, Al-Saray was superb in every way. Both Lebanese and Indian cuisines are renowned to be healthy and are noted for their prominent use of herbs, seasoning and spicing. Al-Saray has everything to boast about, especially their food. They are located in the Silom area of Bangkok and are ready for your orders. With many awards under their belts, they are a classy place. I'm going to start with Indian food because I really enjoy eating these papadums as appetizers. They open the taste buds and prepare them for more awesome flavors ahead. Papadum, also papar, papadum, papadam, papad, and appalam, is an Indian and Sri Lankan flatbread. Typically, they are prepared using black gram bean flour, rice flour, or lentil flour with salt and peanut oil added. These ingredients used are made into a dough and formed into a thin, round shape similar to a tortilla, easier said than done. Murg makhani is an Indian dish popular in countries all over the world where Indian restaurants are found and eaten with naan. It is also known as butter chicken, which was invented by accident at Moti Mahal restaurant in Daryaganj, New Delhi. This makhani chicken and the naan was the deal pairing for lunch or dinner. I added chopped up Thai chilies for extra zingers. I love naan. One of my weaknesses of our delicious food was fluffy, soft and chewy. One of the most revered Indian dishes is biryani. There are so many different versions of this amazing rice dish. Long-grained rice, like basmati, flavored with exotic spices, such as saffron, is layered with lamb, chicken, fish, or vegetables, and a thick gravy. Then you take the dish, which is then covered, its lid secured with dough, and then the biryani is cooked over a low flame or baked in a clay oven. This lamb biryani was authentic and delectable. I love the way they layered the rice and meat with the crunchy cashews on top, so mixing it to eat was the way it should be. Lastly, the gulab, rose, jamun. Yum! This little brown ball of deep-fried dough soaked in a sugary syrup and splash of rosewater is the best way to end a spicy dinner. Al-Saray gulab jamuns were perfection. The meal is heavy on spices, which is accompanied by spiced tea to promote digestion and to change the palate. A typical Lebanese meal starts with small meze serving, tabbouleh salad, hummus dip, vine leaves and kebi that also incorporate olive oil and garlic. Meanwhile, the entree usually consists of healthy grilled meat, chicken and fish in addition to bread. Baba Ghanoush is just basically eggplant blended up with lemon juice, tahini and sea salt. It is usually eaten with naan or pita chips. The pomegranate seeds were sprinkled equally and added a slightly sweet taste to this pleasant appetizer. I can write up so many reviews about hummus as it is one of my most favorite go-to appetizers and I absolutely love the creaminess of Al-Saray's hummus. This high-protein simple but satisfying dish can be eaten at any time of the day. The mixed grill or chopped chicken breast, lamb or beef kebabs plus a chicken kebab are very Mediterranean. I love taking a scoop of hummus with a chicken breast, a piece of the grilled onion along with of course my Thai chilies and popping it in my mouth for an explosion of gorgeous flavors. I was very intrigued by the little pizzas that were added on the side, which I took a bite immediately as I opened the container. It wasn't really a pizza, but it was bread with grilled fresh vegetables with a tomato sauce. These of course looked like little pizza slices but not really tasted like a pizza. They have a nice Mediterranean taste. For takeout, this was a good addition of carbs to this mixed grill set here and the picture below. To complete the last but not least dessert called Mahalabia, which is like a pureed rice pudding. I quite enjoyed the soft sweetness with crushed pistachios and a maraschino cherry for color completed the overall experience. Al-Saray food quality was superb and presentation of the delivery was also well taken care of. I was excited to try this place and I'm glad I was able to try it now. I love Mediterranean and Indian food, so to be able to try both cuisines at an award-winning restaurant is fantastic.